More problems cropping up for the Congress on the Telangana issue. 6 party MPs from Simandra region have today given a notice for moving a no-confidence motion against the Manmohan Singh government. One of the protesting MPs, Congress Andhra MP L. Rajagopal, has spoken exclusively with Headlines today. Let's listen into what he has to say.
7 Andhra Congress MPs have moved a no-confidence motion. We have one of them, Mr. L. Rajagopal. Let's have a word with him. Sir, it's an interesting situation that you've moved a no-confidence motion against your own party.
Against the UPA government. This is not a Congress government. This is a UPA government, and Congress is another part of the government, like NCP. Everybody is voicing their concerns that this government performance is so bad that it's affected the electoral fortunes and the image of the Congress party. And we need to understand the message that has been sent out by the people of the nation through this election, which is very loud and very clear that this government needs to go. That's it.
Sir, you had tendered your resignation much earlier, but then did you make up your mind to move a no-confidence motion after the results in these 4 states?
See, I've been saying the results since 1 month. In fact, I declared the result on 4th evening at 5 o'clock. All the 4 state results I declared. I did a survey myself. I gave this survey to my High Command a month before about Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Rajasthan. I gave them every election in every state. I do a report and send it to our High Command, Sonia ji and Rahul ji. They're fully aware of my reports. And it came exactly what I gave. All the 4 states, including Delhi, I said there's a tremendous undercurrent in favor of Aam Aadmi. And Shiraji is losing, I said that. I warned my High Command that sitting CM is losing very badly in her own seat.
Who's responsible?
UPA government. The performance of UPA government is reflected very badly. Why do you think Rajasthan lost so badly? Because very close to Delhi. The entire performance of UPA government reflected very badly on Rajasthan government. That's the reason that it could not even get 20 seats.
So now are you hopeful that you'll get support in this motion from other parties?
See, I'm not worried what numbers I get. Whether this government has numbers or not, whether this confidence vote has got numbers or not is not important. Whether this house has confidence in this government or not is not important. What is important is people lost confidence in this government and waiting whether opposition still has confidence in this government. Let's see what's going to happen.
So your move is merely notional or symbolic in a way?
It's not that. I'm just reflecting the aspirations and the feelings of the common man in this house because I got an opportunity to voice that. Let's see what the conscience is to each member of parliament. I want everyone to think as per the conscience and see once a government which has lost the confidence of the public, have they got right, whether they got numbers or not, still to continue this office.
Do you think that the party will now initiate an action against you?
I'm not worried what action is going to take against me. I'm more worried about what action the people of India will take against the Congress party. I want Congress to wake up, to think and see the reality and understand this is because of UPA performance that Congress is badly affected.
So you want there should be a rethink of the party?
We want Congress to sit and take a realistic view and understand that people of India are dead against, are vehemently opposing this government. And it's high time this government needs to say goodbye.
Thank you for speaking with Headlines today, Mr. L. Rajagopal clearly says that there is a need for quick introspection within the party.